Namaste bachcho. Welcome back to grade 4 Hindi class. Now here the first chapter, the name of the chapter is Vyanjan, that means the consonants, and the subheading is Adhe Akshar. Here Adhe means half and Akshar means letter. So in this chapter we will be discussing the half form of the consonants, that is the Vyanjan. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the Swar Akshar and Vyanjan Akshar. So these Swar Akshar, they have their own symbols and we say them Matrae. So here you can see the symbols, that means Matrae. So for A, there is no symbol. That's why you can see here a word with no symbol. And the second Swar Akshar is A. And this is A ki matra, and you can see here how we write this symbol with a consonant. Here Ka is a consonant and after Ka, which is marked in red color, this is the symbol for A and the word is calm. The next Swarakshar is E and this is E ki matra, and here you can see we write this E ki matra before Vyanjan Akshar Ka and we say it ki. The word is kis liye. Next one, it's E, which has a longer sound, and this is E ki matra. We write this E symbol after the Vyanjan Akshar. So here Ka is the Vyanjan Akshar. Ka plus E, we say ki, which has a longer sound, and the word is kheer. Next one, it's U. This is U ki matra, and here you can see consonant Ga, and below the consonant we write U symbol. Ga plus U ki matra we say gulab. Next one, it's U, which has a longer sound, and this is U ki matra, and here you can see Vyanjan Akshar Bha, and at the bottom we write U ki matra. So Bha plus U we say Bhu, which has a longer sound, and the word is Bhool. Next one, here you can see Re, and this is Re symbol, and here you can see we write this E symbol at the bottom of the consonant, and here the consonant, that means the Vyanjan, is Ta. The word is Trin. Next one, A, this is A ki matra, and we write this symbol on top of the consonant. So here the Vyanjan Akshar is Ka. Ka plus A ki matra, it's K. The word is Kesh. The next Swarakshar is A, and this is A ki matra. When we write this A symbol with Ha, we say Hai. O, this is O ki matra, and when we write with any Vyanjan letter, for example here it's shown Cha. Cha plus O ki matra, we pronounce Cho, and the word is chor. Next one, it's Au, and this is the symbol for Au. When we write with any Vyanjan Akshar, that means, for example, Cha, Cha plus Au, it's Chow, and the word is Chowkat. So this was a small revision about the Matrae, that means the symbols of Swarakshar. Now here you can see Vyanjan Akshar with a Hal symbol. So what is a Hal symbol? You can see a small slant line at the bottom of these Vyanjan Akshar. Now this symbol is known as Hal. It is always written below the consonant. For example, you can see the first Vyanjan Akshar, it's Ka with a slant line, and this slant line we call it Hal symbol. So what does it mean? It means the half form of Ka. So in this chapter, we are going to learn the half form of these given Vyanjan Akshar. So let's start with the first set of Vyanjan letter. We know that the first set of Vyanjan letters are Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga, plus the Hal symbol. As you can see here, Vyanjan letter Ka with the Hal symbol. So this is the way to write it. you have to write the Hal symbol at the bottom of Vyanjan letter. This means that it is the half form of Vyanjan Akshar Ka. So, Ka, but when we write this Hal symbol, we say Ka. It has very short sound. Ka, Ka. This is Ka with Hal symbol, and this we pronounce Ka. It has very short sound. Same way, Kha plus Hal symbol we write this way. That means the standing line is missing and we pronounce it K. Very short sound. Next one, Ga with the Hal symbol. That means you have to write the half form of Ga. So here also the standing line is missing, and this is the form of writing half form of Ga. One thing you might have noticed, this Ka has a standing line, but Kha, Ga, Gha, the standing line is missing. So next one, it's Gha, and this is the form of writing Gha. The standing line is missing. And Nga, and this is the form of writing Nga. That means just you have to write the short slanting line. That means the Hal symbol. So this is the form of writing Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga in half form. And these half forms have very short sound. For example, Ka, and when we write this Ka with Hal symbol, we say Ka. Kha, when we write with Hal symbol, we say Kha. Ga, we say Ga. Gha, we say Gha. Nga, we say Nga. So these have short sound. Same way, let's see the next set of Vyanjan Akshar, and this is the way: Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. And this is the way to write the half form of Cha. So here we say Cha, and this, it has very short sound, Cha, and the standing line is missing. So this is the form of writing Cha in half pattern. Next one is Cha, and here you can see we just write the Hal symbol. Next one is Ja, and here you can see in this half form the standing line is missing and we pronounce Ja, very short sound. This is Vyanjan Akshar Ja, and here also you can see the standing line is missing and we pronounce Ja. Ya, here also the standing line is missing and it has very short sound. So these are the half forms of Vyanjan Akshar Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ya. Next set of Vyanjan letter Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And here you can see the half forms. You can see here for Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, you need to write the Hal symbol at the bottom. But for the case of Na, the standing line is missing. So this is the form of writing half letter for Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And these half forms have very short sound like Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Now let's see the next set of Vyanjan Akshar. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And these are the half forms. You can see here for Ta, the standing line is missing and we pronounce Ta. Here for Tha, standing line is missing and we pronounce Tha. That is very short sound. For Da, we just need to write the Hal symbol. For Dha, the standing line is missing and we pronounce Dha. This is letter Na and we pronounce Na for the half form. Here also the standing line is missing. So these are the half form of Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Next set of Vyanjan Akshar Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. And here you can see the half form. For pa, we say p and the standing line is missing. Now the next Vyanjan Akshar is fa, and you can see here this half form of fa, it has this standing line, only this hook part is missing. So this is the way to write fa, and the half form of fa we pronounce fa. It has very short sound. Next one is ba, and here you can see the half form, the standing line is missing and we say ba. Next one bha, and here also you can see the half form, there is no standing line and we pronounce bha. Next one ma, the standing line is missing here and we pronounce ma. So these half forms have very short sound. So one thing you might have noticed that Vyanjan Akshar ka and Vyanjan Akshar fa, they both have standing line in the half form. Now the next set of Vyanjan Akshar, ya, ra, la, va, and you can see here the half form. For ya, the standing line is missing and we pronounce ya, very short sound. For ra, we just write the hull symbol at the bottom and we pronounce ra. This is la, and the half form, the standing line is missing and we say la. This is Vyanjan Akshar va, and you can see here in the half form the standing line is missing and we pronounce va. So these are the Vyanjan Akshar and its half form. Now next one, it's sha, sha, sa, ha, and these are the half form. So the first one, sha, you can see the standing line is missing and we pronounce sha. Here it's sha, and here also the standing line is missing. Next one, it's sa. For the sa also, in the half form, the standing line is missing and it has very short sound. Next one, it's Vyanjan Akshar ha. In the case of ha, we just write the hull symbol. One thing you should note that the Vyanjan Akshar with the hull symbol has very short sound. So these are the half forms of Vyanjan Akshar. Now there is an activity for you. You have to write all the consonants with its half letter in your notebook and submit in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.